As a public defender, Judge Karen fought for her client's rights. She was elected to the bench because she believes in doing the right thing.
I'm very passionate about helping people, period. Y'all two grown people need to get your own house.
Right.
You had 7 years to have told him that. When we fight, who's gonna win?
You are.
I don't answer questions, I ask them.
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand.
Objective, independent justice.
I'm ready to rule. If you keep walking, you can overcome whatever circumstances you're facing.
This is Supreme Justice with Judge Karen.
Tiana Richards is suing Jared Clay in the amount of $1,020. Ms. Richards claims her neighbor startled her service dog with a high-frequency whistle and caused her pet to freak out and break her valuable vase.
Miss Richards, you're suing Mr. Clay for $1,020 for what, return of personal property?
For personal property damage, Your Honor.
Personal property damage. And then you are countersuing for nuisance.
Yes,
and
Your
so
Honor.
what's your relationship now?
We are neighbors.
All right, how long have you lived together in that building?
So I've been in the building for about 2 years. Mr. Clay has just recently joined
Just
our community in 1 year ago.
Okay, so were you not getting along as neighbors before this?
We didn't have many run-ins until it came to the dogs.
So you have dogs?
She has a dog, Moxie, German Shepherd.
Oh, okay, you know her dog?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you know her dog?
From interrupting my work.
Oh, okay.
I'm a telesales worker. I sell medical insurance.
Okay.
I do Medicare supplements, so I work with the elderly.
Okay.
And
So you're on the phone all the time in your apartment?
on the phone all the time. I also work remotely.
Okay.
So, Your
It's
Honor,
a one-bedroom apartment?
it's a one-bedroom
How
apartment.
big is the apartment, square footage-wise?
Mine's about 650 square feet.
Okay.
We are in New York, so.
Oh, you're in New York
Yeah.
City. That's a mansion there. And you?
The same. I also live in a one-bedroom apartment.
So what kind of dog is this?
Yeah, so it is a German Shepherd dog. Moxie.
That's a big dog for 600
Yeah.
square feet.
Yeah, Moxie is a certified service animal, so she
Right.
knows how to be in these spaces.
Right, yeah, they
and-
all say that. I have an apartment in New York too. And I see the people walking down the street with these humongous dogs, and I'm like, how do they live in, some of them are 300 square feet, 400 square feet apartments. So are you telling me that when you got your dog certified, she understood how to live in a smaller space?
Yeah, so service animals, they go through very rigorous
Oh,
training.
you're talking about, okay, service. I'm sorry. I'm thinking emotional support.
Yeah, well, she's
Yeah.
also my emotional
Well,
support.
of course,
but-
yeah. No, we are more their emotional support.
True.
Okay, I'm my dog's emotional support animal. That's who I am. Oh, no, it's okay. Don't cry. You know, but no, so it's different. This is a service animal you have.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, so Moxie is a rescue from Texas, actually. I
Okay.
got her as a puppy. She's about 5 years old now. I got her certified when she was about 1 year old, which was, the youngest that I was
Right. Did she
able
go
to.
through some training program?
Yes,
So at the time he moved in, you had been there already 2 years with Moxie.
correct.
You had no issues with Moxie in the 2 years that you've stayed. Did nobody complaining about Moxie?
Actually, I have a very good rapport with all of my neighbors. We
Okay.
consider it a community, so no issues until Mr. Clay moved in.
So what happened, Mr. Clay?
I move in. I dealt with Moxie, her ginormous German Shepherd, who's
Right.
very obnoxious.
Right. But I have never encountered an obnoxious service dog because they usually are very well-disciplined dogs,
I would agree, Your Honor,
but not Moxie.
but not Moxie.
What does Moxie do different?
Moxie seems as if she's not actually a service dog.
Oh, you think she's not? Let me see her papers.
If she has any.
Well, she's going to show me something.
This is my dog.
No, I don't need to see the dog. I need to see the
I
papers
don't.
from the Certified New York Dogs Training Center.
She doesn't have any.
I have a feeling Moxie is not a service dog. So how come I don't see the certification for Moxie?
I don't know. I wasn't.
You didn't bring it?
I
We were here about the dog, right?
I left that at home. I wasn't told to bring the certification, but I have it. It is perfectly signed.
Can we find it online?
Yes, 100%.
Okay, but you want to go on your phone? You got your phone?
Yeah.
Okay, look it up. Let me see this
right.
place online.
Your Honor, while she's looking that up, may I? I would like to recall an incident.
Well, no, she can't walk and chew gum. Let her look it up, because she needs to also listen to what you're telling me.
Yes, Your Honor.
You don't have her certificate on your phone?
I have it right here.
That's her certificate on the phone?
Yes.
Registered with who?
Registered with me, Your Honor.
No, but registered with whom as a service dog? It doesn't say on here, it just says a registered service dog. I think I could buy one of these online.
Your Honor, I assure you that
Yeah, well, I would
Moxie
like to
is
see the
registered.
paperwork that this dog, it's too many people playing games about these dogs. And I have a dog. I'm a dog lover. And there's no way my Shih Tzu could ever be a service dog, but I've seen little service dog packs on little tiny dogs, little Yorkies that have them.
Thank you.
And they claim to be service dogs. And I know that they are not service dogs because service dogs are seriously trained dogs. And I don't believe Moxie is that dog.
Your Honor, if I may.
No, you may not.
Coming up on Supreme Justice.
Tell me why I'm here.
Because Mr. Clay bought a high-frequency dog whistle that he blows constantly now, which torments my dog and everyone else's dog in the building.
If you'll be in the Los Angeles area and want to bring your case to court, call 1-888-552-6878. You're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen.
Supreme Justice is back with the case of Tiana Richards, who is suing Jared Clay for property damage.
What did you want to tell me?
I'd like to recall an incident for the reason why I'm countersuing.
Okay.
For a nuisance. As I mentioned, I'm in telesales, and Moxie, not being that the service dog that she is,
Right.
is yapping all day long, to the point where I have to give off my clients to my colleagues.
Right.
And let them close the deal.
Because Moxie is what, whining? Is
'Cause
she
she's-
in the apartment by herself?
She's in the apartment by herself. Tiana.
Why is Moxie by herself?
Your Honor, I'm an investment banker. I work 10
Okay,
plus
but wait,
hours
let's
a
stop,
day.
but you
10 plus hours a day.
It's-
She's gone.
Your
Stop.
Honor, I have a neighbor,
Wait, excuse me one
Myra.
second. Stop a minute. Why do you have a service dog?
I have a service dog because I have diagnosed anxiety, okay? I work a very high-stress job that my dog helps me with. Additionally, I am a single young woman that lives in the financial district of Manhattan, where
Right.
it is not safe to walk around, especially at night alone.
Okay, is she a guard dog? Is she an emotional support dog? She could be those two things, but she's not a service dog. And a service dog would not be yapping all day long next door because the owner has left a 90-pound dog in a 600-square-foot apartment for 10 hours.
Your Honor,
and,
I
and what
have
about
proof
going to
that
the
she's
bathroom?
not doing that.
Who's taking Moxie? Stop it. Who's taking Moxie to the bathroom?
My neighbor that lives next to me, she has a dog of her own.
Okay.
She owns a bakery downstairs in our apartment complex, and so
Right.
she constantly comes up to take care of her dog. We're friends. She takes care of my dog as well.
So she walks your dog?
Correct.
Okay.
She
How
walks
many times a day is this dog getting walked?
3 times a day.
3 times a day. So why are we here today? Why are we here?
We are here today because my dog does not bark incessantly. There was a storm that happened, and my dog was barking because of a storm.
Not a service dog.
We live in an apartment
He sounds
complex
like
that
my dog. He needs a lot of emotional support. It's okay. The lightning is all right, baby. You okay? You want to get on the bed with me? I'm the emotional support dog.
Your Honor, I live in a dog-friendly apartment complex
Right.
that Mr. Clay knew before he decided to move into. He
Right.
complains and is rude to other dog owners like my
Right.
neighbor
So
Myra.
it's not just been Moxie that you complained about? Are you
Correct.
complaining about other dogs?
Yes.
Moxie is the main one because I share a wall with her.
Right.
So
But you have complained about other dogs
I've
in the building?
complained about other dogs
Yes.
on my floor.
Well,
Not-
how many dogs are on your floor?
2 dogs are on my floor.
Right.
Tiana's dog, Moxie,
Right.
and then Myra's dog, Ralphie.
Is he a barker too?
He's a barker too. He's
What
not.
kind of dog is Ralph?
Oh, I don't know. He's some little dog. I
Right.
don't. I'm not into animals.
Is
I
he a
don't,
service animal?
no,
Oh,
no.
okay.
He's not.
Emotional
We're not a
support?
service animal.
Right,
no.
but is he
Yeah.
emotional support?
I don't
You
know. I don't bother
Right.
with the details.
But why are we here?
So let me
Why?
get to.
Wait. You didn't bring this. She did. Tell me why I'm here.
We are here because Mr. Clay bought a high-frequency dog whistle that he blows constantly now, which torments my dog and everyone else's dog in the building.
Did you buy a dog whistle?
I did.
Why'd you buy it?
I was losing money, Your Honor. I was losing deals, and I work remotely. I don't have anywhere
But what
to
did
go.
you think the dog whistle was going to do?
My back was up against the wall, Your Honor.
But what did you think the dog whistle was going to do?
I thought the dog would hush.
So you blow this whistle. Did you notice a change in the dog when you were blowing the whistle?
Dogs went quiet.
I don't know how that's possible if both my dog and my neighbor Myra's dog are running around the
Right.
I
apartment
don't know how that's possible.
incessantly,
She's
wait,
working 10
breaking
hours a day.
vases.
She's not even home.
How do you?
Myra told me.
What, is Myra here?
Myra is here today.
Okay,
yes.
let me hear from Myra. Maybe Myra will help me through this.
She's not even home, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand.
Hello.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Okay, so Miss Myra, what's your last name?
Delgado.
Delgado. So you were watching Moxie.
I check on her occasionally throughout
What do
the
you mean
day.
you check on her occasionally?
I'm the owner of a bakery that's located.
How often do you walk Moxie?
I try about 2 to 3 times a day.
Right. Every day?
I try, yeah.
Okay, but what do you generally do? Are there days when you only walk with Moxie once?
Well, I'd say on average 3 times a day,
Okay.
2 to 3 times.
Okay. Well, there are times when you walk Moxie less than that?
Well, I run a bakery.
I understand you got a business.
Correct.
Exactly. So you have to be running upstairs to take a 90-pound dog down the stairs, down the street, and walk him, pick up his poop, bring him back, and water him. You have to do that 3 times a day and run your business?
It's a lot. It's a lot.
And you have your own dog.
I do, Ralphie.
And Ralphie is a what? A terrier.
He's a black Labrador.
How do we go from a terrier to a lab?
I didn't say a terrier. I said I don't know. It's a smaller dog. I didn't know the details.
He's a smaller lab, but he's a lab.
Okay.
It's
all
not
right.
Moxie. It's not this giant German Shepherd.
Did you know anything about the dog whistle?
I did.
What do you
unfortunately.
know about the dog whistle?
So unfortunately, I revealed it to Tiana. So basically, yeah, I've been living in the building for about 4 years now.
Okay.
As you know, I have a bakery that's located conveniently at the bottom of the building.
Right.
There was one instance where we were in the hallway and our dogs were barking.
Right.
And Jared just started yelling and saying, shut them up or else. And I thought that was, pretty rude, honestly, a little
Right.
excessive if you ask me.
Right.
But about a week later, I recall running into Tiana in the elevator, and she asked me whether there was construction going on while she was
Right.
at work.
Okay.
Because apparently Moxie just trashed her apartment.
Okay.
And that's where I revealed that I saw Jared blowing his dog whistle every single time Ralphie, my dog, was barking.
Well, I mean, how did you see him when he came outside your door? I mean, how did you see him
Well, I
blowing a
heard
whistle?
the whistle on many occasions.
Well,
but
how can you hear a whistle? I thought humans cannot hear a dog whistle.
Coming up,
Is that you cannot hear a dog whistle.
what I meant to say was when I was walking up the steps, I saw.
Oh, now you're ready to change the story?
you're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen.
Supreme Justice is back with the case of Tiana Richards, who is suing Jared Clay for property damage.
But
Thank
I
you, Your
also
Honor.
recall walking up the steps and seeing him through a window.
Wait, stop now, because you didn't put your foot in something. You said I heard it several times. You could not have heard it. Everything that I've ever read is that you cannot hear a dog whistle.
I was just a little nervous, but what I meant to say was when I was walking up the steps, I saw.
Oh, now you're ready to change the story?
No, I saw
Now
Jared.
that I'm looking to see if...
I saw Jared blow on this whistle.
Right.
when
Oh,
the
so
door-
now you saw Jared blow on the whistle.
I did through his door.
Right. Oh, he had his door open blowing on the whistle.
Yes.
But I would think he wouldn't even need to open the door for a dog whistle.
Maybe it was while it was still open and about to
Right.
close, but
well,
I
he's
saw
told
it
me
through the...
he's blowing the dog whistle. With Jared,
She needs to just keep
Stop
digging
it,
her hole.
Jared.
What?
stop.
I'll stop.
Jared has admitted that he's blowing the dog whistle, right?
Yeah. I've
You
been
saying
nothing
he's
but
blowing?
truthful, Your Honor. Nothing
But
but truthful.
did you ever see, when you saw him, when you say you saw him blowing the whistle, did you see your dog or her dog reacting?
Well, that's the thing. Ralphie, my dog, started freaking out and
Doing
running
what?
around my apartment looking for the source of the sound.
All right.
So I know for a fact that it's definitely disrupting Moxie.
Right, but you can't tell me about what Moxie's dog's reaction was. You
Well,
can
I can
only
imagine.
tell me about your own dog's reaction, and we are not here about your dog.
I saw Ralphie, my dog, get
So you
affected.
never saw Moxie?
No, but
Okay, anything else from her? You better get back to the bakery. Get back to the bakery. Go on. Take your hands off of here. Go on back to the bakery. All right, so.
Your Honor,
What?
the
Why are we here? What am I doing here?
Okay, Your
To get my
Honor, if you would listen for a
$2,250.
second,
Coming up,
Been gone a
that
year.
dog is taken out 3 times a day. Listen to me. Your
That is
Honor.
not. You listen to me. I don't need to listen to you.
you're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen.
Supreme Justice is back with the case of Tiana Richards, who is suing Jared Clay for property damage.
Miss
And let me
Richards,
speak
Miss
because
Richards,
I am
Miss
tired
Richards.
of men speaking over me. I work in finance. I am the
Okay.
only woman in my career at
Right.
my job right now. I'm sick of his superiority complex.
Right.
I tried to resolve this, by the way, neighbor to neighbor, very calmly and reason with him. We
Miss-
are here today
Miss Richards,
because
Miss Richards, why are we here?
We are here because he will not stop blowing a high-frequency dog whistle that is not effective at shutting dogs up.
Right.
It is only to torment dogs, and because of that,
show me the proof of what's happened to your dog.
I have proof that my dog has destroyed a very valuable vase to me in my apartment. And this is not just a vase to me.
Let me see.
Okay.
You leaving a 90-pound dog alone in a house for 10 hours a day. If I leave my dog more than 3 hours, he will act like I've been gone a year.
That dog is taken out 3 times a day. Listen to me.
Right.
Your
That is
Honor.
not, you listen to me. I don't need to listen to you. That's not proof. That could have happened anywhere. That could have happened. That does not prove to me that his blowing a whistle adversely impacted your dog.
There are medical studies that
Okay,
prove
tell me about the medical study that was done on Moxie.
It's
that
all
says,
dogs.
Okay, no, we're not talking about all dogs. We're talking about Moxie here.
Yes.
You brought in somebody to talk about, what was his name?
Ralphie.
Ralphie.
The high-frequency dog whistle caused Ralphie to run around because they're looking for the source of the whistle,
Right.
and when it's blown for long periods of time,
you know what's
it
funny?
drives
You know
them
what's
crazy.
funny? You know what's funny? Is that people with barking dogs are upset about the fact that you're upset that you hear their dog barking, and you're upset because he's doing something that you can't hear that's causing your dog to bark.
Judge Karen's verdict when Supreme Justice returns. You're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen.
You have a dog, right, Your Honor?
Okay, I told you I don't answer questions, and you already know I
If
got a
someone
dog
was
because I
blowing-
told you I have a dog.
If someone
We're not
was
having this
blowing-
kind of conversation. This is not going this way. And I still have no evidence as to why I'm here. I have a feeling that you don't have evidence. Let's move over here to this nuisance.
Yes. So counterclaim on nuisance, Your Honor.
But a barking dog.
About a barking dog.
Do you have evidence about his consistent barking? You have
I do.
recordings.
I have 3 separate emails from my colleague.
That's not
on
recordings
separate...
of my dog barking.
Excuse me, Judge. let me see what evidence
Your
I'm
Honor,
hearing.
Your Honor, before I get back into this
No. But
evidence...
answer my
Okay.
question.
Yep.
I need to have evidence that you have of his constant barking. You're sitting there, you say you couldn't even answer the phone and talk to your clients. Why didn't you record it?
Well, I have a headset on when I'm talking to my...
I'm getting ready to go.
I have my headset on when I'm talking to my elderly clients.
Remember, you couldn't talk to him. You had to turn it over to some other people, so you were sitting there with nothing to do and you lost money, so you should have been sitting there recording the barking dog all day long.
Your Honor.
I'm ready to roll. I'm ready to roll.
All due respect, Your Honor.
All
May
due
I-
respect. I'm ready to roll. Both cases are dismissed. Good luck to you.
Judge Karen has ruled. Both cases are dismissed.
Stand up for your babies, whether that be dogs or children.
People are messing with your money for either yourself or your family just to always protect it.
This has been a production of Allen Media Group.